Remember when we were kids, we used to watch these colorful pictures and create a story on it? This is what our task 3 is all about in PTE speaking. Welcome to day 4. Today we are going to discuss the task number 3, which is describe image. In this type of question, an image will be shown on the screen and student has to describe it in detail. 25 seconds will be given for the preparation and answer should be given in 40 seconds. In this type of task, only speaking skills will be assessed. Let's take an example of this image. Firstly, you can discuss about the overview, as this place can be located at very ancient site or it can be a religious place. Secondly, you can talk about the front of the image, where you can talk about there is a crowded place, a lot of people are there. You can talk about the background of the image, which is a clear sky is there and a lot of birds are flying. And at the end, you can give your assumption that this place can be located at the place like Nepal or Japan.